Ladies and gentlemen, let me share the classical result of Patascientific seminar at Comenius University. The fastest proof of everything. Let us prove that there exists the Loch Ness Monster. The motivation for this is that there are many expeditions searching for that monster, and they would be happy to have the proof that their search is hopeless, just in contradiction with this fast proof. Denote the existence of Loch Ness Monster by big P, the probability of validity of this statement, and by small p, the converse. And everybody sees immediately that the small p is less than the capital P, which concludes our proof. Have a good luck.